Welcome back. Well, Reliance has announced the acquisition of global food wholesaler Metro AG's India cash and carry business for a sum of over 2,800 crore rupees. Manglam is standing by at the big wall to tell us about this deal. Manglam?
Well, the news is official now. The company has informed the exchanges of them purchasing Metro Cash and Carry's India business. The deal was struck at a value of 2,850 odd crores. A little about Metro Cash and Carry. Of course, it's the Indian subsidiary of the global leading international food wholesaler. It entered India in 2003 and it was the first to introduce the cash and carry business to India itself. Where do the metrics for that company stand now? They have 31 large format stores. FY22 revenue was close to around 7,700 crores and they sell to kiranas and other small businesses as wholesalers. And this is where Reliance sees benefits. The biggest benefit they get, they further strengthen their physical store footprint. They give access to a wide network of Metro India's stores in prime locations. But importantly, they also get access to a large base of registered kiranas and institutional customers and a strong supplier network. And that exactly has been the case for Reliance, where they're eyeing the entire ecosystem. Analysts are looking at the scalability and synergies in this deal, and importantly also eyeing whether there would be any horizontal or vertical expansion of Metro Cash and Carry, which currently is into wholesale. Can it actually go ahead into retail or not? And that will be important because Reliance recently launched their FMCG brand Independence with a wide array of products like edible oils, pulses, grains, packaged food, etc. And it's this ecosystem that everyone is playing on. The Independence brand, of course, first launches in Gujarat, then scales nationally, and this asset will be important for them to scale that business nationally as well. They've been growing through acquisitions and tie-ups. This year itself, there was brands like Socio, Campa Cola, Pret a Manger brought by Reliance, and this over and above the near 10,000 crore investment that the company did in FY22. And of that, some of the important ones included the likes of 7-Eleven, Just Dial. We had a bunch of designer brands that came in, and Dunzo too. So what does all of this mean for Reliance? The big, the big ambition that Mukesh Ambani had given in the annual general meeting, saying that Reliance Retail will become the largest segment within the group. The company goes ahead and puts their money towards acquisitions. 2,850 crores for a 7,700 crore rupee sales brand. Metro, not particularly bad. Analysts would just eye scalability and synergies.
Oh, yes, they will. Manglam, thank you so much for joining us and making sense of this recent acquisition. By the way, for the markets, we are still at the day's low. We have Nifty sitting with cuts of 80 points. Reliance is in the green right now. One of the few stocks which is doing well in trade today. Apart from that, we are seeing selling across the board. We also have Infosys, which is in the green right now. Kotak Mahindra Bank too has recovered a tad bit, but largely the texture of the market is towards the selling zone. For now, we'll take your leave on this edition of Chartbusters. Stay tuned. Trading hour will take all the action ahead.